To even the most casual follower of defamation and reputation management law in the UK, 2021 to 2022, the period covering our latest edition, has been an exciting one. Attention was drawn to SLAP, strategic litigation against public participation, lawsuits by wealthy individuals and organisations designed to intimidate authors and publishers who would need to fund multiple stages of litigation at ruinous cost. One case deemed a SLAP action by critics was that concerning Catherine Belton's book Putin's People, published by HarperCollins. Claimant Roman Abramovich, represented by Harbottle and Lewis, settled with author and publisher regarding claims made about his acquisition of Chelsea Football Club, and the defendants agreed to revisions. Another suit, brought by Rosneft, represented by Carter Ruck, was discontinued after preliminary judgment finding 3 out of 4 claims not actionable. HarperCollins, represented by Wigan, stated that they faced no costs nor damages payable to the claimants in resolving the claims. Charitable donations were instead paid, and a full trial was averted. In other news, Aaron Banks, represented by Kingsley Napley, lost his libel action against journalist Carol Cadwallader, represented by RPC, who alleged that Banks had undisclosed Russian government-linked contacts and that his financial affairs were opaque. Banks at least felt vindicated that the judge did not consider his suit to be a SLAP and has been granted leave to appeal. However, both outcomes were deemed favourable to journalistic freedom. The case of the year, however, had to be Wagatha Christie, the suit brought by Rebecca Vardy against Colleen Rooney, represented by Liverpool firm Brabners, who accused Vardy, represented by Kingsley Napley, of leaking details about her to the press. The trial, lost by Vardy, was a closely watched tabloid spectacle, fought by celebrities who could afford to lose and ripe with comedic vignettes, a summer distraction from an otherwise grim global outlook. Away from this more traditional defamation fare, we are seeing an uptick in work concerning data privacy, the publication of allegedly inaccurate data, and the so-called right to be forgotten in online searches and business intelligence databases. Much work of this kind is often behind the scenes and can involve injunctions to remove client data from international websites to prevent harassment and taking down imposter social media sites. High net worth and corporate clients may ask for data audits to strengthen online profiles and guard against media intrusion. Firms doing notable work in these areas include Harbottle and Lewis, Osborne Clarke and Pinsent Masons.